Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gcash app authentication failed. So first up, what you need to do is to head to help.gcash.com, which is basically their help center on your preferred browser. And then from here, the first thing you actually need to do is to make sure that you followed their initial steps on your account. Here under your account section, you should be able to see some guides on logging into Gcash, verifying your account, and your account security. Now, if you've made sure that these steps don't work, then it's best to get in touch with Gcash directly. So just click on Contact Us, and then in here, you will have the option to chat with Gigi. And we're just going to open this chat box right here. You can also try submitting a ticket so that you can just directly email or contact Gcash and then wait for the response to see how you can fix the issue. Or you can also ask Gigi if there's any more troubleshooting steps you can do before reaching out to Gcash. But basically, if you submit a ticket, you will have the option to click on this, and then this small window will open and you just need to fill in the details and describe the issue so that you can fix your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.